Welcome to the International Bank of the Caribbean. Please tap in your personal identification number. Oh, so it's you. And which service do you require? You have insufficient funds in this account. Please try another service. You're deaf? You have insufficient funds in this account. Please try another service. Look! I didn't want to embarrass you in front of your lady friend, but if you insist, you now have no money. Donza, corn, dash, dollars, pesetas, yen. And you didn't know, so don't look so surprised, because I sent you a statement 2 days ago. Now move and go along, you're broke! Right, you forget something. Pick it up, your poser. It's no good to you anyway.